Hey guys, it's Jovi and welcome back again to my channel. So I wanted to tell you about this lotion from L'Occitane. Did I pronounce that correctly? I don't know. Anyway, I love L'Occitane, all right? I'm going to be very clear with you. I have very dry skin. I'm a black woman, okay? We're black. We have very dry skin. I have very dry skin to the point where I have like a whole skin condition, right? I get very dry, I get scaly. Regular lotion doesn't necessarily do it for me, okay? Regular lotion, my skin slurps it up like water in a desert, okay? But ever since I started using this ultra rich body cream, it is not lotion, it's a whole body cream, right? I've never been so moisturized or felt so moisturized, right? I love it. You're good from morning until night, right? It is amazing. It is the truth, okay? And to top, let me add, since we're here already, okay? Let me add what you need to finish off the look, the smell, the whole vibe of the L'Occitane look if you have dry skin. This this cream, right? Here we go. That cream, okay? And to follow the cream up with the supple body oil, okay? These two in conjunction may be the best thing ever created for my skin and anyone who has extremely dry skin. It smells amazing. It's like 20% cocoa butter, if I remember. No, 25, excuse me. If I remember correctly, it's 25% of the best cocoa butter ever, right? And it's worth every freaking dollar. That's my opinion on the product. Okay.